earning $165 per hour online using ChatGPT. And the best part? It's absolutely free to get started. If you've been looking for ways to make money online but don't have a lot of technical skills or capital to invest, this video is for you. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI tool that can generate ideas, write content, and perform countless tasks. When paired with the right strategies and tools, it becomes a powerful money-making machine. Stick around as we break this down step by step with actionable tips and tools you can start using today. What is ChatGPT and how does it work? Before we dive into the strategies, let's quickly cover what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced AI model that processes and generates human-like text based on your input. It's versatile, user-friendly, and capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from writing articles to generating business ideas, creating social media posts, and even helping with customer service. Its capabilities are limited only by how creatively you use it. The best part? You can access ChatGPT for free through platforms like OpenAI's official website or tools that integrate its API. So, with a little bit of creativity and planning, you can transform this tool into a steady income stream. Step 1. Content writing for blogs and websites. One of the most popular ways to make money online with ChatGPT is by offering content writing services. Websites, blogs, and online businesses are always in need of fresh, engaging content. ChatGPT can help you write articles, blog posts, and even ebooks quickly and efficiently. All you need to do is provide a clear prompt and refine the output. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are great places to start offering your services. You can easily charge $50 to $150 per blog post, depending on its length and quality. Step 2. Social media management. Social media is king in today's digital world, and businesses need content that resonates with their audience. ChatGPT can generate captions, create post ideas, and even write scripts for Reels or TikTok videos. To monetize this, offer social media management services to small businesses. Use ChatGPT to generate a week's worth of engaging posts in minutes. Over time, you can scale up and manage multiple accounts, easily reaching $165 per hour or more. Step 3. Resume and cover letter. Writing job seekers are constantly looking for help crafting the perfect resume and cover letter. ChatGPT can generate professional resumes and tailored cover letters in no time. Advertise your services on platforms like LinkedIn, Craigslist, or even your social media channels. Charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per project, depending on the complexity. And you'll see how quickly this adds up. Step 4. Copywriting and sales funnels. Copywriting is another high-demand skill that ChatGPT can excel at. It can create persuasive ad copy, email campaigns, and sales funnel content. Many businesses struggle to write effective copy, so this is a golden opportunity to step in and provide value. You can specialize in crafting email sequences or landing page copy for e-commerce brands or service providers. Use tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp to integrate your copy into real-world campaigns and showcase your results. Step 5. Translation Services. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, making it a great tool for translation. Offer translation services to businesses, students, or writers looking to reach a broader audience. You can use platforms like Fiverr or ProZ to find clients. While ChatGPT isn't perfect for legal or highly technical translations, it's great for general content and conversational text. Step 6. Script writing for videos. YouTubers and content creators are always in need of scripts. ChatGPT can help you write scripts for educational, entertaining, or explainer videos. Offer your script writing services on freelancing platforms or directly reach out to YouTubers who might need help. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per script, depending on the project's length and complexity. Step 7. Ebook writing and publishing. ChatGPT makes it easy to write ebooks in various niches, whether it's fiction, self-help, or educational. Once you have the content, you can publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and earn passive income through book sales. Start by researching trending topics or underserved niches. Use ChatGPT to generate content, then polish it before publishing. With consistent effort, your ebooks can become a reliable source of income. Step 8. Online course creation. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, ChatGPT can help you create course content. Break down the subject into modules and use ChatGPT to draft lesson plans, scripts, and worksheets. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Kajabi allow you to host and sell your courses. Online learning is a booming industry, and this is a great way to monetize your expertise. Step 9. Customer support assistance. Businesses often need help managing customer inquiries, especially for repetitive questions. You can use ChatGPT to create a FAQ database or even offer live customer support. Platforms like Intercom or Zendesk allow you to integrate AI-generated responses, reducing workload and improving efficiency for businesses. Step 10. Personalized tutoring materials. If you're a tutor, ChatGPT can help you generate lesson plans, quizzes, and study guides tailored to your students. This personalized approach can set you apart from others in the market. Offer these services to parents, students, or educational institutions. You can also create bundles of resources to sell online. Step 11. Product descriptions for e-commerce. Online stores need compelling product descriptions to attract buyers. ChatGPT can help you write persuasive descriptions for Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify listings. Pitch your services to online sellers, or create a profile on freelancing platforms to start earning. Step 12. Chatbot development. Many businesses want chatbots to improve customer engagement. ChatGPT can be used to generate responses and scripts for these chatbots. While you don't need to be a coder, pairing ChatGPT's scripts with tools like ManyChat can help you create functional bots that you can sell to businesses. Step 13. Blogging for ad revenue. If freelancing isn't your thing, start your own blog. Use ChatGPT to generate blog content and focus on SEO to drive traffic. Once your blog gains traction, you can monetize it with ads or affiliate marketing. Step 14. Affiliate marketing content. Speaking of affiliate marketing, you can use ChatGPT to create product reviews, how-to guides, or promotional emails for your affiliate campaigns. Partner with brands and earn a commission for every sale generated through your content. Step 15. Resume optimization services. Expand on resume writing by offering optimization services, helping clients tailor their resumes for specific jobs. ChatGPT can help you create resumes that match keywords from job descriptions, improving your clients' chances of getting noticed. Step 16. Fiction writing for entertainment. If you're a creative writer, ChatGPT can assist in generating story ideas, characters, or even full plots. Publish your short stories or novels online, or sell your writing to content platforms. Step 17. Personalized email campaigns. Businesses rely on email marketing, and ChatGPT can help you create personalized, engaging campaigns. Focus on small businesses or startups looking for affordable marketing solutions. Step 18. Niche website content creation. Build niche websites with specific content and monetize them through ads or affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content for these sites. And that's it. 20 actionable ways to make $165 an hour or more using ChatGPT for free.